Today, I'm gonna be showing you how I plant my tomatoes. Why do I have a basket of bananas, a carton of eggs, and Epsom salts? Stay tuned, I will show you. I am planting out all my interdeterminate tomatoes. Those of you that don't know what that means, that is a tomato that will produce all season long until frost. Those are my favorite kind of tomatoes because you get a long harvest. They're usually bigger tomatoes and they can grow, if they're in healthy soil, they can grow like 6-8 feet tall. It is crazy. So we made a trellis this year. This is just some chicken wire. I'm gonna be tying the tomato stem to it. And if I see that there's a tomato forming like in the hole, I might move it a little bit so it doesn't get like squashed in the hole. But all my tomatoes are going along this, I think it's 20-foot trellis. I'm gonna be planting all those out. All my determinates are in the cages over here. And determinate tomatoes will produce in about a 2-week window. I've had some determinate tomatoes produce longer than that. They produce like all their fruit at once and then it kind of trickles out. And those don't grow as tall, they're more of a bush variety. And determinate tomatoes, I do not prune. Interdeterminate tomatoes, I will prune to one stem that goes up the trellis. I'm gonna show you how I plant those, how I add organic fertilizer to the soil. Hint, hint, bananas, eggs, and Epsom salts. So let's get planting. So here we have a beefsteak tomato. I started this from seed. This is outgrowing this pot. Look at those roots. It needs to go in the ground. So we're gonna cultivate the soil a little bit with my little cultivator tool here. Dig a nice big hole, and then I will put a banana down there, a whole egg. Do not crack your egg. I think we found out the hard way. My daughter accidentally cracked her eggs in her garden, and I did not, of course, and her tomato plants got dug up overnight and the egg was gone. So don't crack your eggs, make sure they're whole and they stay intact. Put a whole banana, a whole egg. You're adding potassium and calcium. As those slowly break down in the soil, the roots will soak up those nutrients and give you a nice strong tomato. I am also throwing in a handful of Epsom salts, and that will give your plant magnesium, and that slowly goes into the root system. And then once the hole is dug nice and big, we're gonna take this tomato plant and we're gonna pull off all the leaves here. Now this is the main stem. You do not want to break this main stem, but these little side shoots here, we can take off. And why do we do that? Because a tomato plant has tiny little hairs all the way up. Tomatoes want to go on the ground. We actually force them to grow upright. So any little hair that is here that touches soil will grow a root. So the deeper you plant a tomato, the stronger a tomato plant you will have, especially here in Tennessee where we get high winds and tornadoes, and you want that plant to be able to stand upright. And the stronger the root structure is, the stronger the tomato plant. So we're gonna take all those off. I might wait to pull that one off until I plant it. You're gonna stick that down in the hole, cover it up nice, and there it is. So that is how I'm planting my tomatoes this year. If you have any thoughts or tips, I would love to learn from you. You can leave them in the comments below. But it's gonna be a good garden season. I hope you learned something. Have a great day. What else? Make sure to hit that subscribe button. There's lots of Make sure to hit that subscribe button. There's lots of videos coming, canning, pruning, weekly garden tours, all of it. You don't want to miss out.